So today's video, I decided to try the Tajin and the pomegranate viral. So first time ko tong napanood kay Jen Barangan, then second kay Duff in Canada. So today I decided to try it. So ito yung Tajin at ito yung fresh pomegranate. So yan guys, i-try na natin. Napadami. Eat. So yung lasa niya, maasim na matamis. Pero nababalan siya, maasim na maanghang. Pero mild, tolerable. Then, nababalance yung lasa niya dahil sa tamis ng pomegranate. Thank you. Bye!
Waking up with the sun smile on my face. Perfect day ahead, it's a beautiful place. Heart full of love, laughter in the air. Family and friends, we're dancing without a care. Oh, everything I want in love and joy. The best kind of